Going on an adventure, going on an adventure. I can't wait for the adventure that we're going on. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going on another adventure. I'm very excited though because I have an entire week off from work. My name's April and I am a travel physical therapist, and I just make videos about my life as a travel physical therapist. About it. Not too exciting, but today is kind of exciting. And the reason I'm excited for this week is because this is officially my vacation week because I took time off in between my contract. So I'm on my second travel contract, and technically it ended last week, like I guess Friday, this past Friday. But I extended my contract, so that means I'll be here for another 3 months. But I had the option of taking time off, so I decided to take a full week off in between my contracts when extending it, whatever, blah, blah. All my other videos, if you want to catch up with what's going on in my life, I have them linked in the description below. I am very excited once again for another fun, not very spontaneous. This one was actually planned. If you watched my last video, we did a lot of fun, spontaneous things. So this trip is more planned to a little extent. The accommodation was planned. What we're gonna do, I have no idea yet. Probably will involve hiking for sure. Definitely eating for sure. That's all I know right now. Okay, now we are on the way to our little accommodation for the first half of the week. So my week vacation is broken up kind of in two. So one, I'm going glamping, we'll say. If you ever heard that term, glamping. And then the second part, I'm going, I guess once again you could say glamping with my family. We're going to a campground. We're gonna stay in a cabin. Got some food and a smoothie. Yay! Okay, where was I? We are on our way to the first place that we'll be staying, and I'll show you soon. Stay tuned. Okay, bye. We're here! We finally arrived to our destination. 2 hours later, and vacation has officially begun. We're here at our Airbnb. We got a giant tent. So let's look and see what's inside. Follow me. This is the door. Oh my god. I have to duck. Oh! There's these spiders. Is there a light in here? Okay. This is cute. Ooh. Oh god. That spider? I can't tell. I'm kind of scared. Oh, they have a fan. That's nice. Bed check. I like braced myself because I was scared. We're gonna have to check the bed for bugs. But this is cute. Look how old this looks. Definitely not using that. What is this? Oh, there's water in there. Don't waste it. Oh, they have little cute little cups and wine glasses. And they got a mirror. Oh, here's the Tipi manual. We gotta read this later. So we know. I don't know. So we know stuff. And then look at the chandelier. Oh my god, what is that up there? Oh god. I'm kind of scared of bugs, I'll be honest. There's like spiders up in here. But it's okay. We're camping. We're glamping. So bugs have to be involved. But if there's spiders, I'm gonna do a little one too. Okay, so this is the inside of this wonderful little tent. And now I'm going to show you the outside. Follow me. Ah! Okay, so first, let's go to the bathroom. In here, we have the toilet. Oh god. We got a toilet, and then we got this cool thing here. And you wash your hands here. You got a light. You got toilet paper and spray for, you know, when you poop. Oh my god, I think there's a spider in the... Honestly, I might be on, like, behind some trees, to be honest. I don't want to be in here. I know the spiders are camping out in here. Here, we have the shower. And this is where you wash your body. Hop right on in here. Make sure there's no spiders dangling above your head. Oh god, there's a spider web right there. I'm not getting in there. We're actually gonna go to Walmart now, and I plan to buy the little body wipes to wash myself. I don't know if I can use this. Next, we're gonna go over here. To the hammock where you can relax. Then, my favorite part, or it's gonna be my favorite part, we have a little fire pit. Later, we're gonna make a fire. We have wood over here. I cut all these myself. And there's a grill. Probably won't use, but here's a grill. And then some picnic tables. Sit down and enjoy nature. Yep, and that's it. Welcome to our Airbnb for 3 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, from Sunday till Wednesday. Today has been a not very eventful day, not really much adventure going on, but that's okay because today is kind of a chill day because we were driving for a little bit and honestly we're both kind of tired. We're just gonna chill tonight. We got some Mediterranean food. I got like some salad with couscous. Is that how you say it? Couscous? And then falafels. And wine, of course. So this one's actually almost empty, but then we got this other one. Honestly, this label looked really cool, so that's why I got it. I'm gonna invert the video right now so you can see the label. And what is this? Carbon champagne? I'm not good with wine. But yeah, and I think later we're gonna start a fire after we eat and then chill, go to bed. And then tomorrow we're gonna do a bunch more fun stuff. There's more here than I thought. I thought it was just gonna be like a little bit. Cheers. Boop. Yeah, almost tastes like a mixture between a falafel and a hush puppy. Dinner was very good. It wasn't Italian food, it was Mediterranean food. But it was still so good. So now we're gonna start a fire. We're gonna try to start a fire. Itchy everywhere. These bugs are killing me. I should put on bug spray. I think I'm gonna need to put on bug spray. They're starting to kill me. As you can tell, it's getting pretty dark now. So it's time to light the fire. We got a fire going. And guess what we also got? We got marshmallows and some graham crackers. We gotta keep it going. We didn't get any pokey sticks, little sticks to put the marshmallows on. So instead found, I don't know if you can see it, but found a stick just laying on the ground. And that's what I'm gonna use. Don't judge me. Just blow it off a little, it's fine. Come here. Look at this stick he found. It's like 10 feet long. Who else likes their marshmallow completely burnt? Like that. Now you gotta burn the other side. Crispy. Got crushed like a bug went in my mouth. Oh my god, it's hot. I think that's gonna be it for the vlog for today. This is the first day of vacation and it has been really fun so far, very chill, which is probably a good thing before all the adventures really begin. Good night everybody, see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning everybody. This is day 2 of my vacation and today we are going on a hike and it is McAfee Knob and I think it's like close to a 9-mile hike. It's a beautiful day. The weather actually is really good. It's like not too hot. First, of course, before we have to do anything, we need to go to Starbucks. Get some tea, get some brekkie, go use the bathroom over there, and then we'll be good to go. Follow along on today's hike. Okay, let's go. still hot. To prepare for a hike, I gotta make some sandwiches because it's gonna be a long hike. So I'll make some peanut butter banana sandwiches. If you've never had those, highly recommend. Okay, here we go. Off to the hike. It's gonna be a great day and I'm so excited. Look, there's the toilet right there. And then our tent. This is like so cool. Of course, I'm gonna put a link at the Airbnb where we stayed at in the description below. So if you're ever in this area, you can stay here. I highly recommend. It's kind of like glamping, but like it's still a tent. So it's not like you're in a cabin or anything. There's still bugs everywhere, and the toilet and shower is, you know, I guess better than nothing. I don't want to use it to be honest. So far, highly recommend staying here if you want to go camping with a little bit of glamping. Okay, so we learned our mistake from last time. If you watch this video right here, or is it right here? I don't know where it's gonna pop up at, but one of these corners here. If you watch that video, we went on supposed to be an 8-mile hike round trip. Ended up being like 12 miles because we kind of got a little lost and took the wrong trail. And yeah, we did not pack enough water for a 12-mile hike. We had just enough for an 8-mile hike, but here's a valuable lesson. Always bring extra water. So this time we have 5 water bottles all together this time. We're here. We made it. So excited. It's a Monday, but there's like quite a few people here, but it also is summer. It is June, so people are probably on vacation like me. This is McAfee Knob. And we're gonna hike this trail and we're not gonna get lost this time. I feel like it's just straightforward trail. I'm pretty sure it's like a down and back trail, and I have my new tripod. We're gonna test this out this time while I hike. Hopefully everything will look a little bit more steady when I'm filming. I'm slowly becoming a better YouTuber. All right, let's go. Okay, so distance to McAfee Knob, 8 miles round trip. Okay, so we're starting here and we're gonna go follow this red, and then we're gonna get here.
Yay!
Oh, where are we? The sound means nothing. We're going this way. Oh, the sound's over here. High Club Trail. McAfee. See, isn't that pronounced? McAfee. Yeah, we met these like hikers on the way, and they're like, "Where are you going?" I said, "McAfee Knob." They're like, "McAfee?" There's a MC. It's like McAfee. McAfee. Not McAfee.
Yeah, you're right.
I feel like I'm right, but I don't know. Alright, let's go. Alright, we are going back down from McAfee knob, and we're going to try to find another hike when we get back. And it stopped raining. It was raining a little bit on the top. The rain clouds started like coming in out of nowhere. Got some really good pictures, really good videos, and we got a picture at the famous little cliffside. And yeah, excited for the next adventure. So keep following along. Made it back to the parking lot. Yeah, we made it. Yeah, that was a good hike. 10 out of 10, recommend. So now, guess what time it is? Not M&M time, but the next best thing. Honestly, it might be a better thing. Got some insomnia cookies. We got chocolate chip, and then we got double chocolate chunk chip, whatever you want to call it. So now we're gonna chill, rest up, drink some water, eat a little snacky, and then we're gonna try to find another trail to go to because it is currently 3 o'clock right now, and we're gonna try to find one more small trail to go to, and then we'll probably head back to our little tent, or actually it's called a teepee, but whatever, tent, teepee, whatever you want to call it, and attempt to shower in that little tiny shower that you saw earlier. Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna go. The water pressure is not good, and I need to wash my hair, and this takes 30 minutes for the hot water to come on, so honestly I might just take a super quick cold shower. We're gonna figure out where we're gonna hike next and then let you know. Okay, I'm gonna eat this cookie now. Alright, we're here at our next hiking destination. We are at Sharp Top Mountain. So that sign said it was 1.5 miles to the top, and then we gotta come back down. I think it's gonna be a fun one. So excited. Sharp Top. Ooh, we gotta go to Buzzard Roost. It's only 600. You wanna do that one first? I don't know what that is. We gotta go up there. This is Buzzard Roost. Let's go. Look at this. There's literally buzzards up here. Wow. I'm scared. I gotta stay low. Are these rods stable? I feel like a little mountain lion. I feel like a goat. I'm like a mountain goat. Apparently I'm really scared of heights.
Go easy, yeah. There you go.
This is so cool. Do you see this? I didn't even know this is up here. This is so cool.
Let
Well, heart's racing.
Let me show them the view. Okay.
My legs are shaking. Now we're gonna leave Buzzard Roost and we're gonna go to where we originally planned to go, which is Sharp Top. Let's go. Let me mountain goat myself off this overlook.
How do you feel about the hike?
Good. It was a good hike. It was fun. A lot of steps. Straight up, but it was good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Climb up those rocks. Wait, if I fall and die. We're back. Alright, let's go eat. We are going to a rooftop bar. It's called Skyline. And yeah, so we're gonna check it out. So excited. I can make my hair do a helicopter. Oh, hey, how are you? How are you? This puppy came out of nowhere. Wait, you want some peanut butter? I know you do. Give me some peanut butter. Come here. Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Hey. Who are you? Oh, Bloops. Can I give you a boop? Ready? Come here. Boop. Outside. Come on. Your friend is over there. Here. How to reunite the dogs. Come on, get your friend back. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, no. You wanna go? Good morning. Today is day 3 of my little vacation. We're about to go hiking, but first, we just had starbies. Now we're gonna go to a trail. So we're gonna hike Flat Top Mountain, and the whole thing is about 5 miles out and back. And we're gonna start at a lake called Abbott Lake. I hope I'm saying that right. Abbott Lake. Okay, so we are here. Not quite, but we're almost here. We're at Peaks of Otter Lodge, and there's a restaurant back here and a little gift shop. So we stopped here to use the bathroom, and also when we got up here, we got out of the car and it was a little chilly, and I am wearing a tank top and shorts because where we were before it was warm and it felt good. But of course, when you reach higher elevation, it tends to get a little bit colder. So in the gift shop, thankfully, they had some hoodies and sweatshirts. So I got this cute little sweatshirt and it feels so good. It says Blue Ridge Parkway, Peaks of Otter. Honestly, I love, because otters are like my favorite little animals in the world. Like, look at this. We're trying to find the trailhead to the hike right now, but we have no idea where it's at. The man in the gift shop was trying to tell us where to go. We're just gonna park and just walk towards the lake and see if we can find the trailhead. It is foggy. Probably won't have much of a view at the top, but whatever. It's about the journey, not the destination. Aww. If anyone hikes this trail, Flat Top Mountain, from the, what's this called? The Otter Peak Lodge, there's a lake. It's called Abbott Lake. If you do the trailhead from here, follow a sign that says picnic area. Go that way. You're gonna pass the lodge, and then you're gonna get to the old building right there, and you're gonna see like a little loop road thing, and you're gonna just follow the road. Okay, don't follow the trail, the lake trail, follow the road. We haven't gotten there yet, so we'll see if this is the right way. It's just kind of confusing here. Oh god. Oh god. I hope that's drinkable water. Honestly, I'm just assuming, but we're at the picnic area now, see, and there's more picnic tables that way. We still haven't found the trailhead yet. It should be somewhere around this area. I think we officially found it. There's a sign up ahead. I can't read it from here, but I'm pretty sure that's it. But once you pass the picnic area that's back there, just keep following this road straight down and you will be at the trailhead for Flat Top Mountain. And the rain has officially started. View, you can see for miles of fog. Guess what we have once again for lunch? It's got really squished in the back, but peanut butter, there it is, the banana. Peanut butter banana sandwich. We are at our next hiking location and we are doing Harkening Hill Trail. And the whole thing is a loop. It's about a little over 3 miles long. And there's also a farm trail. It's like another little loop. I think we're gonna do that one as well because it's a farm. So I really wanna see, hopefully some farm animals there. Harkening Hill Trail. So this is this way. We are here, going here, 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 do-do-do, do-do-do, all the way up here. Here's the summit right here. And then we're gonna veer off and go see what this is all about. And then we're gonna go down, da 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 da, blah, 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 blah. And then here is Johnson Farm, so we're gonna check that out. And then we're gonna come all the way back down. And then back around to here. Okay, let's go. Come on. I may not film hiking this trail, so I guess I will see you at the top. Bug flipped my nose earlier. I literally had to shoot it out. Anyways, follow me. We're here. Harkening Hill, elevation 3,364. Let's go to the top. Here's the view of Harkening Hill. Ah, so pretty. Like I said, I didn't show you the hike because it was pretty basic. It was, you know, nothing crazy. But there's two spots that I just want to talk about and transition. So this first part was just all the little flowers were like just everywhere. It was super pretty. And then there was like this little archway of the flowers. And it was just given, is there a scene in Twilight? It was given Twilight. I don't know. It just popped in my head. It was just like a vibe. It was pretty. So I wanted to film that part. So that's this. And then there was another part, as you can see here, of me being Superwoman. I don't know. You see the boulder here, and it's literally being held up by these two like smaller rocks. But yeah, that's it. And now we're up here at the top, and we're gonna chill for a minute, and then we're gonna finish up the loop. Balance Rock, 300 feet to the right, and then Johnson Farm, 0.9 miles. Okay, so we're here at the rock, and yeah, it's kind of what I thought. Nothing too crazy, but here it is. It's a rock, and it is, I guess, balancing on another rock. Let's look at it from the side. Maybe it's cooler from like another angle. Yeah, it's balancing on there. Johnson Farm, that way. We're here at the farm. There's one there. Oh, is that Scarecrow? Oh god, yeah. That Scarecrow scared me. I hope we're not just pulling up on someone's property. Y'all wanna come hang with me and my boy? Oh my god, this thing's actually kind of creepy. Like, can you imagine if, like, I've seen too many scary movies for this. Nah, not today. Not today. Dang, it is locked. Oh, I wonder if we have to go to the front.
Yeah. This is a swing machine. Some chair.
Okay. Can y'all see that? It's just, I don't know. We're gonna try some other doors. It's giving horror. Aww.
Why have the lock in?
It's locked. We can't go inside. This part is locked too. Oh, I want to see the inside. This is where they made potions. Just kidding. On to the next building that we can't get into. Over here is, once again,
Stop, no.
all the wood that I chopped. And here's a cow and some pigs.
Oh, there's a peanut butter.
What? Oh my god, they got peanut butter. I want it. Oh, this is where they stored some Lowe's bucket back in 1700s. Can we go in here? I'm gonna go in here. Look at this old looking thing. Wow.
And then got some wood.
That looks so cool. You can like sit on it and till some stuff. I don't know. Here's the thing. And then, oh wow. Sit on this bad boy and get some real work done. This is cute. I'd live here. Well, that's all for the farm. I was a little disappointed. I thought there was gonna be farm animals, but you know, that's alright. It was still pretty neat, you know, seeing historical sites, whatever. Now we're gonna go back to where we're parked, and then I guess, I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. We'll see what we're gonna do from there. And we are back in the car. And you know what that means. Time for another snacky. Little snack break. And then we're gonna go back to our little teepee, our little tent, and get ready. Take another really cold shower full of spiders. But I'm not washing my hair because the shower pressure is not very strong. And you have to hold the chain to get the water out like the whole time. Like I would use up all the water. Like there would be none left. But yeah, we're gonna take showers, get ready, and then we're gonna go out on the town. Keep watching, stay tuned. Okay, bye. Here's the fit for tonight. Got a little bun, lots of dry shampoo, and we got a little romper. And then we got what I wore yesterday, some shoes. All right, let's go eat some food. I'm so excited. Let's go. dairy-free orange and vanilla ice cream with white chocolate sprinkles.
A few moments later.
Just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like
Oh look, his buddy's gonna come help him. And this is Animal Planet Insect Edition. He's like, how do I get this? He's like, where you going, bro? He's like, you gotta push it. I don't think that they're communicating very well.
Not a good teamwork.
Oh, there they go. They're dragging it. I think he's dragging the other ant with him. Deuces. Hey, I don't have any food for you. Hey. Getting the legs. You want to give the camera a boop? Boop. Yes. Hi. Are you nice? Do you bite? Hey, you okay? Oh, you want to get the grass, don't you? Look who's back. Hey, where'd you come from? Time to leave our wonderful Airbnb. This was such a wonderful stay. Like if you love camping and you want to spruce it up a little bit but not stay in a cabin but still kind of go camping in a tent, then I highly recommend this Airbnb in Lynchburg, Virginia. This property is absolutely so beautiful. Like as you saw, the lake, they have a little lake and they have farm animals with goats, horses, chickens, some dogs, a donkey. Made the first part of my vacation so good. We are about to head home now so I can organize some things, pack up some more stuff, and then head out to my parents' place for the second half of my vacation. And stay tuned for part 2 of my vacation. Oh, okay,
Who eats a burrito like that?
Tomorrow we're gonna do a bunch of more fun stuff. Bunch of more. Oh. Oh, bless you. Look at your little face. Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. You boop. Boop. I cannot see anything what I'm doing right now. The sun's coming out now, so that's... No, the bug went on my eyeball. Oh my god, there's a lot of bugs here.
Ja.
Ja.
Yeah.
Ja.
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 Ja. Ja.